Hey guys, so I decided to do something different today and share a little bit of my violin practice. I love rap music and I love classical music. I know it's a huge contrast, but I love classical music and I've been learning the violin for about 3 years now. And I'll share with you a little bit of what I'm working on, some of the songs that I'm learning, some of the challenges that I've been having. Because I'm still a beginner, I'm still learning my flats and my sharps. So sometimes I'm a little off when you hear me play, but I'm making progress and I'm a lot better than I was when I first started. I'm working on the Suzuki Book 4, and there are 10 volumes of Suzuki. So I think I'm in the middle of book 4, but I'm trekking along pretty good right now. I'm working on learning double stops and just better intonation, better sound quality, focusing on when I need to be loud, when I need to be soft. So I'll play a few of the songs that I'm working on today. This is Wohlfart, and these are just little exercises for violinists to learn. And they're different exercises. It helps you with your fingering, like crossing strings and making sure you're getting your sharps and your flats correctly, working on your slurs, doing a whole measure in slurs or doing just two notes in slurs. So they'll switch up the different exercises, and I get a sticker every time I pass one. So those make me happy. I really love getting my stickers. It brings like the little girl in me. But anyway, every time I pass an exercise, I get a sticker, and I am on exercise number 10. So this is what I'm currently working on, this exercise here. So that's what I'm working on. And I always start my practice with Wohlfart. And then after I warm up with Wohlfart, I'll move on to this book, which is Solos for Young Violinists. And I love this book because it has a lot of fun classical pieces. But they're not too hard, but it's still fun to actually play a classical piece. But this is the one that I'm working on. I'll play a little. This is Concertino in G major. I'll play a little bit of this one for you. So yeah, this is the one that I am working on, just cleaning it up a little bit better this week. And then my teacher said I could move on to Donkey Doodle. So this is the next song that I'll be working on this week out of the Solos for Young Violinist. And then in Suzuki, I am working on, and I'm almost halfway through. Can't believe it. I'm almost halfway through Suzuki Book 4, but I am working on Concerto in A minor, OP3, number 6, the first movement. So I'll play a little bit of this song for you so you can hear how I'm sounding. I'm just working on cleaning up this piece a little bit better this week. So that's what I'm working on in Suzuki. And then I'm really excited. One of my favorite pieces is the Four Seasons. I actually went to go see a live performance one time with my husband, but I am working on the Four Seasons, which I'm really, really excited because this is my one of my most favorite classical pieces. And she said that we can start working on this since I'm already working on a few Vivaldi pieces, and I am on. She said we can start with spring, so we're gonna start with spring, and it looks very intimidating, like very intimidating. Look, this is fourth position. I've only gone to third position, so she put a few fingerings in there for me, but I'm just going to work to this section here this week. But this is spring. I'm going to start with spring from the Four Seasons. So I'm really excited about that. So anyway, thanks so much for listening. I just wanted to share a little bit of my violin practice and what I'm working on, and maybe I'll do more videos like this on my violin progress. But I'll see you guys on my next video. Have a great week. Peace.